Austin.
We are very pleased with the judgment. It represents, in our opinion, what the state of the law is. The lawlessness being displayed by government agencies ought to be stopped. And this judgment is a demonstration of the fact that the courts are alive to their responsibilities to help sanitize our society and reorder our movements. In this particular case, it is rather strange, if not downright cynical, that the immigration services will be arguing that someone directed them, not a court judgment, not a court order, not the minister, just a letter, according to them, a letter which was never produced in any event. So we are pleased with the judgment, and we hope that they will do the needful and respect the judgment of the court.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.